Welcome to Foxify. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful layout tools in Foxify, the frame element. Frames help you group multiple elements together so you can move them, animate them, and style them all at once. Whether you're working on a landing page, a product showcase, or a complex layout, frames will help you stay organized and consistent. Let's dive right in. First, let's see how to add a frame to your page. From the left side panel, click on Add Elements. Under Basic Elements, you'll see a new option labeled Frame. It's the one with the hashtag icon. Just click and drag it onto your page like any other element. It creates a container where you can place other elements, like text, images, buttons, or even other frames. Already have some elements on the page that you want to group into a frame? No problem. Start by clicking the first element you want to include. Then, hold down the Shift key and click the others. Once they're selected, click Frame Selection from the toolbar at the top. And just like that, Foxify wraps them into a single frame. This is perfect for aligning sections, applying a background, or adding animations to multiple components at once. Inside a frame, you can also manage how each element behaves with constraints. Let's say you want the image to always stay centered, or the text to align to the bottom. You can use constraints to set those rules inside the frame's container. Just a heads up, frames don't auto-adjust to fit their children. If you resize or move something inside, you may need to manually adjust the frame size to match. Changed your mind? You can easily remove elements from a frame too. Just click on the element you want to take out, then drag it outside the frame boundary. Once it's out, it will behave like a regular, independent element again. Want to take your design to the next level? You can actually nest frames inside other frames. This allows you to build modular, layered layouts, for example, a colored background frame. Inside it, one frame for text with image. Another for text with countdown timer. You get better control over spacing and responsiveness while keeping everything tidy. And that's it. The frame element in Foxify is a game changer when it comes to organizing your layouts, applying animations, and simplifying your design process. Whether you're creating hero sections, promotional banners, or interactive product showcases, frames help keep everything in sync. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, comment, subscribe and check out more guides in our help center. Happy building with Foxify!